सीमा कदम. बालमित्रांनो, 6वी मसावी लसावी HCF and LCM. Another example, 48 and 54. Okay, first step, we have to find out the factors of 48. So factors of 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Now dear students, listen. What we have to do? 1, 2, 3, divisibility test of 3, 8, 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 plus 1, 3, so 3. Then 4, yes. Then 6, 6 8s are 48. Now listen, 6 8s are 48, 8 6 are 48. Now here 4 is there. So after dividing by 4, we will get answer 12. So 12 is the factor. So 12 4s are 48. After dividing 3, we get 16. So 16 3s are 48. 24 2s are 48 and 48 1s are 48. In this way also you can find out the factors. Now factors of 54. Yes, 1. Even number, therefore 2. 5 plus 4 9. So 3 is also a factor. Now what about 4? No, 4 is not a factor of 54 because 54 is not divisible by 4. 5, no, because 5 is not in the units place, there is no 5 or no 0. 6, yes, 6 9s are 54. 8, no. 9 6 are 44. 9 is there. Then see here, which one we get? 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9. Okay, now 9 6 are 54. 3. So 18 3s are 54. Right? Therefore 18 will be factor. By dividing by 2. So 27 and 54 1s are 54. See, getting 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. कळले कसे काढायचे फॅक्टर्स? Okay. Now, next step, what we have to do? Common factors. So, which are the common? 1, then 2, 3, 6 and okay. So, common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now, out of these, which is the highest one? Yes, 6. And therefore, the HCF of 48 and 54 will be 6. Okay. Find out the HCF of 16 and 48. Now, just now we have found the factors of 16 and 48. We made the list of factors of 16 and 48. आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? HCF काढायचं आहे, मसावी काढायचं आहे. So first step, to find out the factors. Factors of 16? Yes, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Factors of 48? Just now we have done it. So these are the factors of 48. Now the common factors, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay. Now HCF. So what is HCF? Highest common factor. So which is the highest one of this? 16, and therefore 16 is the HCF of 16 and 48. Okay. For a word problem, शाब्दिक उदाहरण आपण बघणार आहोत. If large square beds of equal size are to be made for planting vegetables on a plot of land 18 meters long and 15 meters wide. So what is the maximum possible length of each bed? The plot is 18 meter long and 15 meter wide. So these are the bed we have to large square beds of equal size are to be made. So what is maximum possible length of each bed? So dear friends, word maximum or highest, this is important. So maximum word is there means you have to find out the HCF of 18 and 15. Got it? So let's go for it. What we are doing? First write down the factors of 18. It is very easy. 1, then 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Common factors 1 and 3. So HCF will be equal to 3, highest, and therefore this is a word problem, so you are supposed to write the answer in words. So the maximum possible length of each bed is 3 meter. Here the unit is also you have to write the units, supposed to write units of the given example. So 3 meter, the maximum possible length of each bed is 3 meter. Two ropes, one 8 meter long and the other 12 meter long, are to be cut into pieces of the same length. What will be the maximum possible length? Again, the word maximum is there, means blindly you can go for HCF. Maximum possible length of each piece B. So you have to find out the HCF. Okay. So which numbers? 8 and 12. Let's go for it. Factors of 8. Factors of 12. Now of this, common 1, then 2 and 4. Right? Now these are the common. You are writing only ones. Common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Out of these, 4 is the highest one and therefore HCF is equal to 4, and answer will be the maximum possible length of each piece will be 4 meter. Okay. More sum. Serious students, what is the sum? The number of students of standard 6 and standard 7 who went to visit the Tadoba Tiger project at Chandrapur was 140 and 196 respectively. So standard 6 students, 140 students of standard 6 went for visit to Tadoba Tiger project and 196 students of standard 7. Now the students of each class are to be divided into the groups of the same number of students so that they can help each other. Each group can have a paid guide. Now, what is the maximum number of students there can be in each group? And why do you think each group should have the maximum possible number of students? Okay. Now, see here. What is the maximum number of students there can be in each group? So, what you have to do? Yes, you have to find out the HCF. Now, dear students, factors of 140 and 196 we have to find out. So, here the number is B. So, what you have to do? 1 and 140. Then 2 will be there. So, 2 sevens are 40. 0, Next, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 0, 5, 3 is not possible. 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. Yes. Then 5, it is there because in the units place 0 is there. So 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40. 6, it is not divisible by 3, therefore 6, it is also not divisible by 6 also. 7, yes, it is there, 7 2s are 14 and 0. 8, 8 1s are 8, no. Next, 10 and 14, then 12, not possible. Now see here, 14 and 10. So see here, factors we got it here. So factors of 144. Okay. Now in this way also you can find out the 140 विभाजक आपण शोधले. Factors of 140 we found. So we will write the factors of 140. Now factors of 196. So first of all 1 and 196. Then go for 2. Yes, it is there. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. 3. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6 16. No, 16 is not divisible by 3. Then 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 9s are 36. Then 5. No. 6. It is not divisible by 3. Therefore also not divisible by 6. Next 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 8s are 56. Okay. Now 8. 8 2s are, no, not possible. Now next. Next. See here 1, 2, 4, 7. Then 28, 49, 98 and 196. झाल्या, जोड्या मिळाल्या आपल्याला. तर अशा प्रकारे आणि 14 येणार. 14 जा 196. Therefore 14 will be there. So in this way we can find out the factors. Now common 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Okay, these are the common factors, and out of these greatest will be 28. Therefore the maximum number of students in each group will be equal to 28. Okay. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण शाब्दिक उदाहरण सुद्धा अशा फॅक्टर्स काढून या प्रकाराने सोडवू शकतो. Friends, after finding out the HCF, today we have seen how to solve the word problem on this HCF. The word maximum is important, and with the help of this, जास्तीत जास्त असं विचारलं असेल तर त्यामुळे आपल्याला काय काढावं लागेल? मसावी काढावा लागेल. ओके. तर तुम्ही अशाच प्रकारे या उदाहरणांचा सराव करा. पुढच्या भागामध्ये आपण लसावी बद्दल जाणून घेणार आहोत. थँक यू.